Hello everyone, and welcome to DeltStack. In today's video, I will show you how to remove payment methods on Discord. So it's an extremely easy process. All you have to do is just simply open your Discord application, then click on your user settings option right over here. Now, just simply scroll down and click on the billing option right over here. Now, you will have your current billing method in this section, so all you have to do is just simply click on Edit, and then you have to enter your Discord password right over here, so quickly enter that. After you have entered your Discord password, just simply click on Confirm and wait for a few seconds, and after that, your payment page will appear in front of you with some of your personal details. Now, over here, you will see an option called Delete Payment Method. Just simply click on that option, and just like that, your payment method will be deleted. So that's it. Now you know exactly how to delete your payment methods in Discord. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.